Hey, what's going on? Charles here, AllCoastLawncare. Hey, just want to do a little video for you on the Exmark 36-inch walk behind S series. Yeah, so I got this mower a couple of months ago because we got our first commercial property that was on a busy street and it had like a real steep ditch. And I was like, you know what? I told the boss, Anna, hey, you know what, Anna, boss, we're gonna need a walk behind because I can't take a chance of taking the zero turn on this ditch, all right? Because I could like probably tip over. So hey, it's not worth the money, y'all. All right. So we wanted to play it safe, so we invested on this walk behind right here. Some awesome walk behind. We do have a small push mower. It's a 20-inch push mower, but with this walk behind, we're gonna get more power, y'all. And so we do have a 42-inch zero turn, and then we got our 52-inch zero turn. So our next is our 36-inch right here that will get inside the smaller gates, way smaller gates, because our 42-inch could get in small gates though. But this one right here, when if it's real small, then we'll just use a 36-inch. Yeah, I got the push behind mower, you know what I mean. But I'd rather use this, y'all. It's more power, you know what I mean. I will tell you this: the steering, to control it, it is a learning curve, y'all. I mean, I nearly embarrassed my wife, you know, the boss, when we first got it. I mean, I was like, you know, you ever like try to drive standard and you're like stopping, going, you know, fast turns, you can't control it. Yeah, that was me, y'all. But I'm used to it now. So they do have the little silky wheel you can stand on, but I ain't gonna get that yet, y'all. I'm still learning how to. I ain't saying learning. I'm still getting used to controlling this this mower, all right? Because it's very delicate when you're turning, okay? You know, so you just gotta get used to it. So it has a Kawasaki engine. It has the enhanced. What was that fancy name for it? It's called the enhanced control system. Is that how you say it? Yeah, the enhanced control system, the ECS. A 36-inch deck. It could go up to 6 miles per hour forward and 2 miles per hour backwards and reverse. It has twin hydro gears. And what else? What else about it? And that's a big thing, y'all. Is the Kawasaki engine hydro gears. The dimensions. What's the dimensions on this bad boy? Let me see here. Wait up. Obviously, it's 36-inch on width, but you have that extra, like that 1 inch to play with, you know what I mean, for the blades. Okay, and it has a parking brake. It has a 12-volt battery. It also has an hour meter. That's a good thing about it. It has an hour meter on the, you know, like on the top part where the steering compartment is. Power components. See here, it has a PTO engagement. It has a 5-gallon tank, y'all, for fuel. Okay, just in case you're wondering, 5 gallons, a 5-gallon tank for fuel. So the dimensions for this bad boy, let's see here. The length is 77 inches. The width is total 47. It's a 36-inch deck, but it's 47 inches the width. That don't make sense, y'all. I'm looking at the schematics here on the online. It's not 47 inches, it's 36 inches. And the curb weight is 573 pounds. Anyway, y'all, I love this mower. Once again, it's a learning curve to steer it, all right? It's an awesome investment for that steep ditch I do. I've also had to do other ditches that were I couldn't get my zero turn in because of where I got stuck. So this actually made me money, y'all, okay? When I thought I'll have to, like, you know what, I can't do this, man. I'm gonna have to let this job go. And you know what? Wait a minute, I got the walk behind. So the walk behind, it's making us money, y'all. So it has a 2-year commercial warranty, and within 10 hours you could take. They recommend between 6 and 10 hours. Take it to the dealership, and they'll do a free oil change, and they'll sharpen the blades for free, you know, as a courtesy. Other than that, y'all, man, tell me what you think, all right? I love this mower. It's a good investment. You know, I recommend if you buy one, go in your backyard and practice. All right, don't start operating on our customers because you're gonna embarrass yourself. Okay. One thing I wish you would have as a safety lanyard. You know, you ever run on a treadmill and you hook up a lanyard to yourself. That way, like if you fall, the lanyard will pull like the key out and it'll stop. I wish that would have that. All right. You know, I'm gonna email Exmark and tell them they should have that because if you trip or fall, dude, that thing's gonna take off. It's gonna take off. It may take off straight. It may just go in circles, but it's gonna take off. That's one bad thing. I ain't gonna say a bad thing because you know you'll be clumsy if you fall. I guess that's one recommendation I think Exmark should have on this mower. There's like a safety mechanism, a safety lanyard, just in case if you fall or trip. That way it'll pull out the key, and then bam, you won't what do you call it? Like the mower will stop automatically. But hey, y'all, thanks for watching. I appreciate you viewing this video. Please like and subscribe. And like always, God bless, and see you on the next video. Bye.
AllCoastLawncare.